Grandpa used to say, back in my day, we used our brains, not machines. But one day, while watching his grandson Zain doing homework, Grandpa noticed something strange. Zain was typing a question on the computer, and instantly, the screen replied with a full answer. "What's that? A talking dictionary?" Grandpa asked. Zain giggled. "No, Grandpa. It's called ChatGPT. It's like a smart helper that answers anything." Grandpa's eyes twinkled. "Anything? Can it tell me a joke?" Zain typed. "Tell me a grandpa joke." ChatGPT replied. "Why did Grandpa bring a ladder to the dinner table?" "Because he heard the stakes were high." Grandpa burst out laughing. That evening, while everyone else watched TV, Grandpa sat in front of the laptop. He typed slowly, then fast, and by midnight, he was chatting like a pro. The next morning, he shocked the family. "Ask me anything," he said confidently. "What's the capital of Iceland?" Zain tested him. "Reykjavik," Grandpa replied, grinning. Grandpa had learned ChatGPT, and he wasn't stopping there. He began writing poems, planning garden ideas, even helping Zain with history homework. Zain whispered, "Grandpa is now smarter than all of us." And Grandpa, sipping tea, whispered back, "Or maybe I just got a smarter friend."